Let's learn how to carve the perfect Halloween pumpkin by selecting a fresh pumpkin, cutting from the bottom, removing the pulp, sketching your design, and using the right tools for carving. Keep your pumpkin fresh with petroleum jelly, and enhance its aroma with cinnamon. A few things to keep in mind. Choose a fresh pumpkin with a sturdy stem. Cut from the bottom to prevent caving. Sketch your design on paper first. Use a quality carving tool. Utilize scraps creatively for extra fun. Keep your pumpkin fresh with petroleum jelly. Add cinnamon inside for a delightful scent. Keep it fun. Selecting the right pumpkin. Choosing a fresh pumpkin with a sturdy stem and no bruises ensures the longevity and durability needed for carving. A flat bottom helps stability, preventing any rolling during the carving process. Cutting from the bottom instead of the top can avoid structural issues later on, while angled cuts create a more secure lid. This technique is vital for maintaining the pumpkin's integrity. Sketching your design beforehand simplifies the carving process and minimizes mistakes. A pattern can guide your cuts, ensuring a more professional-looking jack-o'-lantern. Effective carving tools. Utilizing the right tools, a quality pumpkin carving kit allows for more precise cuts and intricate designs, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your pumpkin. Creative use of scraps. Repurposing pumpkin scraps into additional uses adds a fun twist and maximizes the use of your pumpkin, reducing waste and sparking creativity. Pumpkin pie is delicious. Also, pumpkin seeds are an excellent way to remove parasites. Maintaining freshness. Sealing cut edges with petroleum jelly helps retain moisture, extending the life of your jack-o'-lantern. A cold water soak can revive wilting pumpkins, ensuring they stay vibrant for longer. Aromatic enhancements like adding cinnamon to the lid create a festive scent and also enhances the experience of displaying your pumpkin, adding a sensory element that delights guests. Follow the link below for a quality pumpkin carving kit. Follow for more goods.